All right, so I am here with Miss Dee Richardson. And Dee, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, I've been single a very long time, like 45 years. I have 4 adult children and 6 grandchildren, and a dog named Pearl. And I work, and that's pretty much my life. I was in therapy at the time in Kansas City, Overland Park area, and she recommended that I go. And then I had a friend that also went there, and so she took me. And I started in the back row and cried every single Sunday, but I would move up 1 more row each week until I reached the front row.
And you've been part of several Unities, correct?
Yes.
All right, so tell us how you found Unity of Springfield.
My granddaughter, one of my granddaughters' birthday is in August, and her brother was going to be 1 year old in September. Well, because I was going back and forth to the Branson church, I missed my granddaughter's birthday cake and getting the presents. And so I just said, I cannot do that to miss his 1 year, because they'd have it right afternoon and I couldn't get back in fast enough. So it just like was a bolt. Well, I've never tried that Springfield church. I think I'll see what time their services are, and maybe I could make it if they have an early service. And sure enough, and when I walked in the door, it felt like the original Unity I went to. And that was the first time I could ever really say I felt like I was home. That God is with us, that we are all worthy, everyone, and that there's only love. I like all 5 of them. I mean, you have to live all 5 of them, or if you miss one, and the other 3 or 4 are not going to work. We used to have a luau, and I have several pictures of different years. We had the luau with different friend congregants, here. I like those. As far as memories, Kenneth Reitmeyer and Papa Harry are 2 of my favorite memories. And I love that Daniel Namod comes and he approaches us when he's going to be in the area. And Christmas, candlelight, love that. To come home, if that's what they feel like, because I came kicking and screaming. I did not feel like I was home the first time I walked in. To find that they are worthy, that God loves them, that God is in them as them through them.
Right. And tell us a little bit about your experience here as a church secretary.
I've been the administrator for, I'm going on 14 years, I think. And if I were independently wealthy, which I don't appear to be today, I would do the job without pay. I'm way past retirement, and I don't see any reason to retire and become a slug, so I'll be here as long as my memory stays with me.